Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Boy, oh 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 boy. People, last night, or I should say early this morning after 12, to be exact, I told people to watch Rosealee and KHANDY specifically, because Rosealee did that run off her mouth. I thinking mouth, as she like to say to some people. You know what I mean? And KHANDY never told like that. You know what I mean? And KHANDY was letting Rosealee know she's just an internet girl. You know what I mean? And she does real things out there. Because the front selling hard. Man, I mean, harder than them peanut shell and all of them stuff, you see me? So, you know what I mean? KHANDY finally booked Rosealee last night, and it wasn't a good sight. We hear say Rosealee face get tear off clean. You know what I mean? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to hear from Pops YG, who was a witness. And Queen Nikki, right? But you can't really listen to Queen Nikki because she had dry bus music on the scene. So, she don't want to make Romeich look away, right? So when we hear all of them story, then Shabada, we'll get to what Romeich have to say about the whole ordeal, because some serious thing are going. Yeah, big violation at Rebel Party again, you see me? So that's like I can share the video from now. Let's hear what going for it to go on, you see.
Pampu can win that.
Man, shit up boy win that.
Like a film, no, I don't feel Hakeem car. Like a film.
Shit up boy car.
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Rosealee sit down on the beam and he must go see KHANDY and go come on, Lord God. Just face get dig off down there. KHANDY a parry tree, mad girl, head mad. Head mad, Jakes.
So when times KHANDY pants off, if you see that two girls chuck him too.
But when they chuck
And
Jakes,
shit up boy drive when I car.
Yeah.
Shit up boy car.
Jakes, you hear me? Jakes.
Shoot up abandon. Yes, sir, shoot up abandon.
So shit up abandon movement to blood clot.
I second time now, no.
Deadly. My side, we're gonna live goal, please. Win a competition, my side. A competition we are work with, man. Test this,
But Jakes, you hear me? Jakes.
Yeah.
Me know you're there fine and everything, but you need to call Rosealee and ask him. Me don't know if one of you them joke out now.
No, a shit up problem that. That's not Jake's problem. A shit up problem that.
Pablo. Pops.
Hakeem not involved. Hakeem need the
Pops.
Yeah?
It couldn't be my problem for real in the first place.
A shit up problem that.
And me there, I heard me there.
So what we say, make you never come out and call blood clot.
The man have him one life I live, bro. A shit up problem that. No, make shit up go deal with that.
Remember, and some shit up a top man, no. Come and see if you and say him then in a man town and him then a boy town. So remember say my top man. And in a boy town him say him there.
Shit up, go back and see you today. If me pay you for go. Me give you 5 bills. Go.
But there no man.
So Pops, one time the Joker face that one, where was handsome shit up?
No, Hakeem did that on one bike.
Got you in there for one bike and watch a girl and spans off the girl face and chuck him.
Well, I'm black that girl ask me about video. Well, I'm black, follow me and ask me about video. Suck your mama dirty girl on top. Yeah, where the fuck you ask me about video from?
You
Me have to KHANDY and KHANDY have to blood clot me, but allow the girl, me not gonna bring them rose. But me just want everybody know say no fight no go on.
I don't care. If me did in a party, all if she never touch KHANDY, me beat Rose. Me beat Rose, me a that girl there. Me a instigate a kind of girl. All if she never touch KHANDY, me run and bust her face. You understand me? Me run in and thump her in her face and land her on her back. Yeah.
At 52 like Rose. Everybody send her Rose. Everybody send her Rose, my team. Come on, my team. Everybody send her Rose. Everybody send her Rose. They not talk. Everybody send her Rose. 5,000 people over here, we can get 52 Rose. Come on, chat. Everybody send her Rose. We need some gift.
All of my signal gone. Focus, 52 rows chat.
Martin tackle me ball later. I mean, not even. Yeah, come shoot for me later, but please just one game. One game, me my blood finger. Hey, dirty man. Ciao. Worst like how Mocha look for Switzerland, Jaden, and Rebel. And she no run go tell Jaden that yet, you know. She no run go tell Jaden that yet. Bright. Last year, TJ, them touched TJ last year. Rebel crosses, man. Rebel no for put her hand to nothing. And this year, now them touch up Rosealee, but look, they calm as a bitch. The back of my stomach open up. On the back of my dress open, you know. But now make permission no more of them suit up, you know. Yeah. So I don't know where can the juke off my face last night at Swiss party. Hey, big old dimple body candy. You're lucky say I show me that glisten. I show me that glisten, I couldn't say. I couldn't say when you give I'm an outfit blind man. I'm an outfit blind man. Where my arm get and drop on? I'm an outfit blind man, dirty candy. Try that shit again at the next party when I Romeich birthday. Oh, come here, I got no man. The Romeich never put no thumb tap on them. Then Romeich now the things them would have been in the thumb tap there. And this is the blouse, you know. This one my neck is the blouse. You saw it right up. I'm in neck breathe. This that is around my neck is a blouse, yeah. Put you first. Show me your word. So good candy. Are you me attack? Are you me attack? Are you me attack? Akim. Sugar. So can you chuck off the whole of my silver? You so can you dig off the whole of my silver? One digging and everything fall off. Me not come second again, I come third. Me not come second, I come third. And we don't never know. This is a blouse, sorry. It's a blouse. But through my neck, it right up. When you don't never know, it's a blouse. There is a compartment inside. Can't bother with put together. Yeah. It's a blouse. And you saw me shape turn it in a necklace. Eh? Romeich now put no thread in the some of them. Him now put enough thread in them now grip the creases, grip them. Him now beat me, I stop by it from him. Cause I care how much water I'm throwing at this, just a dash way. Like it has so cold. I wonder if I... Yeah, putting in the comment section about the bagga stories that on here. Like I said, you know, everybody or some people's going to try to downplay it because, you know, it makes Romeich look bad, and Romeich don't make no money. None of these people don't make no money. So him say people is going to be people. 3 exclamation point, ungrateful. And then put lie. But him say, but that's why love God first. As you know, people, Rebel just start no blood clot because, you know, last year, on Fear birthday, you know, them send police for got backstone woman and man, you know. You know what I mean? I know, bro, God, you know, give Romeich a helping hand. You see me, I say, and I brush off him image and make it look clean again. Them come with the bagga foolishness. You see me, I say, and these type of things is overshadowing the positive stuff that it happened. Because, you know, last night, Swiftly proposed to Dancing Rebel. And this is what she had to say.
Good night. My name is Suscribers. I've been watching you on Instagram. You didn't answer me again. Will you marry me?
It's a good look. Now, I don't know if Candy confirmed the reports, but I'm going to advise her not to because she's trying to be corporate. If you're trying to work with Romeich, you're going to go the corporate road. And as you can see, badness is bad for business. You know what I mean? Just like blood. You see what I say? So I think she should have, not let her emotions take, over her. You see what I say? She should have make one of her shatter them deal with Rosealee. But we'll leave that to another review. Anyway, people are not going long on this no longer. Just to give you a quick update, you see me. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest though. Bless.